Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start your PlayStation 5 by your iPhone. So if you're like away and you want to go ahead and get your stuff warmed up and ready to go so you can just jump on when you get home or maybe start downloading a game remotely, well, this is easy to do. First, we need to go to the App Store and we want to make sure we have the PlayStation app. So PlayStation app, type this in under search and then open this up. And I would suggest getting the PlayStation Remote Play app on the bottom, then also the PlayStation app. So if you want to do remote play in the future, you can do that. Then sign in with the PlayStation app with your email address and your password. And you're going to be on the home screen here. Go on down to the bottom here. You'll see all these different options. We want to go to the game library. And then go to games. Now you can choose a game under here. So let's go to Astro's Playroom. And I'm connected the same Wi-Fi as my PlayStation. I can simply just go to Play on Console right in the center of the screen. And that's going to open up the game on my PlayStation 5. And it's going to start up. Now you can also go to Play using Remote Play right here. And this is going to connect to your PlayStation and you're going to see your PlayStation pop up on your screen. And you can control it completely from your phone. So if you go to Play on Console, that's just going to start it. Go to Play using Remote Play, you can take control and you can start playing games on your phone. So just make sure you have good internet, maybe directly connect your PlayStation 5 to the router, and then have a good signal for Wi-Fi on your phone. And then you can turn it on and get it ready. So that's usually what I do, and you can get it download in the background. Maybe there's an update. Just start it up, and it should be good. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.